What's good, everybody? This is your boy JB, back with a special release. Like, I'm talking flames. This might even be sneaker of the year. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna get straight to it. Y'all see the hoodie, you know the vibes. You see this brown box, y'all already know what time it is. The shoe I'm talking about is none other than bang, the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. First glance, I'm like, this shoe is crazy. Like, the quality, this reverse swoosh, there's so much stuff going on in the shoe. Like, so many hidden features too I want to show you guys as well. I can't even believe that I have these shoes right now. It's crazy. Travis is my favorite artist, so this is a must-have. Before I start this review, I'm gonna give you guys a quick story how I got these shoes. So these shoes dropped twice. They dropped on April 30th on Travis Scott's birthday on his website. Sold out immediately. I took the L. Then dropped again on May 11th on Sneakers app. And I must say, the Sneakers app was a movie. Like, so many payment errors. Put my password back in. I was legit trying for like 30 minutes to get through. And I finally got to pending. I waited. Sold out. My heart broke. And then my bro, shout out to my bro AK, man, for real. He sent me a text message saying, got him. And I'm like, what size you got? Like, I got your size, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was almost crying. I was like, damn, bro. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys my opinion where you should cop, pass, or pay resale. Also, I'm gonna give you some nice in-depth review on the shoe, real close-up looks, and finally give you guys an on-feet look to see how you can crush the shoes. Check it out.
So let's start the review with the box. You have a nice, smooth, brown color Jordan box. Nike check on the top. There you have the tag, the name of the shoe, Air Jordan 1, High G, TSP, all of that. Let's open the box up. Tissue paper is different. I didn't expect it to be like this. Tissue paper. Wow. Look at these shoes. Take that one out. I want to show you guys the tissue papers on these shoes. Nice pink Nike Air logo, Jordan Wings logo, Cactus Jack logo. Let's dive right into the shoes. Got the iconic backward swoosh across the heel. So fire, so rebellious. Who let you do that? On the back, you got a Cactus Jack logo. Nice suede. Quality on this, I must say, is A1. In the front of the shoe, you have your Cactus Jack on the tongue. The cut, real fire and subtle to me. Really dope. Check out the side. On the opposite side of the shoe, you have your normal facing Nike swoosh. Look at the close-up, shows Cactus Jack there. I actually didn't know that it reflects. You can see it right there. Really fire. Hidden features, I'm a fan of it. Take out some laces. Comes with 4 sets of laces, which is different. You have red, pink, white, and brown. Let me know what you guys think I should use. I want to switch it up. I want to go all out in these shoes. Let me know in the comment section below what I should choose for that. One of my favorite features on the shoe, besides the backward swoosh, has to be this backward pocket. Snap the Velcro. Here you can hide anything in there. You can hide the loud. You can hide money in there. May not have no wallet on you. Really dope and low key. Super fire. That goes all the way around the side of the shoe too, so that all opens up. Feeling that suede, man. Really smooth. There you got it. Travis Scott Jordan 1.
So I'm gonna just come out and say it. These shoes are a definite cop. The only thing I would say is be mindful of the price depending on your budget. These shoes are going for $1,000+ right now, depending on your size. I would also be careful because there's a lot of fakes going around too. Heard some fakes going on in StockX and are passing through, so definitely gonna be careful for that. If you want them really bad, I would say that pull that trigger right now, because I'm pretty sure these shoes are probably only gonna go up unless you have like really big feet. For sizing, I always go true to size. With Jordan 1s, I wear 9.5. I never get anything above that because it may crease. So 9.5 usually always works for me. On the other hand, if you do have pairs of these shoes and you're thinking of whether to wear it or to sell it, I personally will wear the shoe because I really like it. But if you want to make a quick buck, I would say you might want to hold on to it because I feel like the value will go up on these. Me personally, He's gotta go to toe. I just hope they don't crease. Also, let me know what you guys think I should use as my shoelaces. I'm not sure if I should mix and match. Should I keep it black? Should I add pink? Let me know down below. Let me know if y'all feeling the 4s more than the 1s. Some people said they like these better. I don't know what you guys think. We'll also laugh you guys today. Let me know in the comments below if you cop, did you pass, did you pay resale, you're gonna flip. Let me know down below. Also, let me know what you guys think. Is this a sneaker of the year, or do you think there's more heat coming out in the future? If you like this video, want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe down below. Also, make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any heat. I'm dropping some fire content. And as always, thank you for watching. JB out. Peace.